Actually, you are given this kind of question in your chemistry JAMB exam. How would you solve it? Let's solve it together. This is a very simple organic compound to name. So the first thing I used to tell people, the principle to name is very easy. The number one thing you have to do is what? You have to recognize the longest continuous carbon chain, what we call the LCC, longest continuous carbon chain. Don't forget, it's not just longest; it must be continuous. And it must be a carbon chain. Now, what is the longest? I can go like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How can I go again? I can go like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How can I go again? 1, 2, 3. It's not as long. I can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can go 1, 2, 3. But I cannot. The mistake you guys used to make is that you will go like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's not long like that. It's not continuous now. You can only go like this. Look at it. This is what they mean by longest, and it's continuous. Can you see? Or I can go like this. Or I can go like this. But it's better to go like because it's easier. Okay, good. Now that means regardless of how I go, the longest continuous carbon chain is what? Is 5 carbon. Now, and I taught you that, or if you have watched my video, I said that when the carbon chain is 1, it starts with met. When it is 2, it starts with what? Et. When it is 3, it starts with what? Probe. When it is 4, it starts with what? Boot. When it is 5, it starts with what? Pent. When it is 6, it starts with X. When it is 7, it starts with what? Ept. When it is 8, it is oct. When it is 9, it is non. When it is 10, it is what? Dec. Okay, that's the first thing you have to know. So now that means this guy is starting, the carbon is what? 5. So it must start with pent. Now don't rush. Pent. Now, how do I know which family they belong to? Now you must understand that to know is that we check all the bonds. They are all fortified. They are all, amassed with what? Single bond. And when it is single bond, they will end with what? They belong to the family alkane, because single bond is a functional group. So they belong to the family alkane. So because they belong to the family alkane, that's just like some of you. Your family name is Obikoya. So if you are Damilari, they will call you Damilari Obikoya. If you are Tokpe, they will say Tokpe Obikoya. If your sister is Yesterday, it is Yesterday Obikoya. Can you see what it means? Obikoya is the last name. Chemistry, understand it. So that's why it is the last name. The A from what? Alkane. Aye. A is the last name of Pent. This is the Tokpe. This is the Johnson. This is the Damilare. This is the Yetunde. You understand? That's the family guy. Now, the next one, the next true is recognize what we call what? The substituent. Substituent. Don't worry, I will define what the substituent is. Substituents are a group of atoms or molecules that are what? That are not part of the continuous chain. Of course, except from we are not recognizing hydrogen. It's all these guys. Now, that means if you look at it, this is the chain. What is the substituent? And if I number, I can number in 2 ways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can go like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now I can go in both ways. Now going this way, that means this is one substituent. This is the second substituent. What's another one? This is the third substituent. Now going this way, these two methyl. So this is methyl. They are one is on carbon 2. This other one is also on carbon 2. Then this one is on carbon 4. Based on this order, I'm going to teach you the 2 ways so that you understand it in the exam. That's based on the first order. The second order, the methyl. If I go by the second order, that's when I'm considering from here. This is 2 Abi. That means this guy is on carbon 2. Now, this one will be on carbon what? These two guys will be on carbon 4. So here is the principle. Now look at this. We are on the number 2. Recognize something. Well, we recognize it, but if you add these guys together, the summation of this guy will give 8. That is 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus, the summation of this guy is what? Is 10. Now, what is the next one? The next rule now, because of this, is what? Choose the least possible number. Choose the least possible number. That's the next rule. Now, what is the least possible number? Of course, 8 is lesser than 10. So that is why we are going with this guy. So how do we name? It has a rule. To name is now, we are not going to say between numbers. Anytime you have numbers like this, 2, 2, is going to be comma. We have, don't forget, the methyl are 3, so there's a fourth one on number 4. So this comma comma. Then if you have numbers and alphabet, two numbers like this with comma, then try, because there are 3, try methyl, what is the family guy? Methyl pentane. In fact, this is a very good question. So this is the name of the compound. So if you want to register for our marathon class, where we will teach you all the syllabus, math, physics. This is not the first time, we did it last year. Go and ask. Physics, chemistry, biology, math, English. Send me a message here on WhatsApp where you can register for the class. Is 5,000 naira. I'm going to be bringing some of my colleagues. I'm going to be bringing some of my colleagues that you already know that teach you online. Okay, so if you want to, it's 8 hours per day. This is not being so. Is to finish all the whole syllabus. I think this, we've already created it. The channel, we've already made it into 7 days, 8 hours per day, 2 hours each subject every day. So it's one of a kind. If you want to just send a DM here, let me give you your own to solve before I leave you guys. Okay. Now let's say I have CH3 here. So drop the name of that in the comment section. I'll be checking. But till then, I will see you in my DM when you want to register. Of course, I've told you the price, so there's no, it's a steal for me. I know, because we have over 600 students last year to register for it, so it's not a big deal. So because I know people will definitely register, they know the what. They know how much I charge one on one. So if I'm giving this at this price, it's a steal. So if you want to register, send a DM here on TikTok or send a DM on WhatsApp to register. I will see you in my marathon class. Bye for now.